Entrepreneurship has been described as an action-oriented way of thinking, the focus of which is creativity, innovation, and change. Therefore, it is not surprising to see that entrepreneurs are among the more creative and innovative players of organizational change. And what should be the mindset of an entrepreneur when he or she starts a particular business? Entrepreneurship is more than the mere creation of business. It should be about seeking opportunities, taking risks beyond security, having the tenacity to push an idea through the reality.
What are the problems are you facing from our teaching techniques?
The major problem which I am facing at present time that only theoretical knowledge is given to us in classroom, and this problem we face this problem in interview when interviewer asks to us that what is exactly going on field. Then we fail to answer this question, and we are rejected by them.
I want to know what's your views on study pattern of our college.
In our college, we mostly have theoretical knowledge. We don't much focus on practical knowledge. So, like in civil engineering department, we have absolute instruments which are not at all this generation instruments. Some are not actually working even. So, these are the hurdles that we are facing in this college.
And what's your views?
Yes, I completely agree with him. But I just want to add one more thing that few expert faculties from foreign maybe should be visiting our college so frequently that students can enhance their practical knowledge to so far from what they are learning right now.
Yeah.
Thank you. यहाँ हम आपको दो एग्जाम्पल दिखाते हैं, एक है इनोवेटिव तरीका, दूसरा है नॉन इनोवेटिव तरीका।
Now today we will start from design only. Okay? What do you mean by beam? Open your topic. Right now. A structure member subjected to transverse load is called a beam. When provided in building, they are called joints. A large beam supporting a number of joints is called a rudder. Beam which carry the load in trusses are called purlins, and those which support the load are called beacons. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर लिफ्ट के केस में क्या?
मैं लिफ्ट के बीम में.
यस सर.
अभी तुमको ये सब नहीं पढ़ना है, ज़्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ. बैठो. Any doubt?
सर, जब हम डायरेक्ट एनालिसिस करते हैं वैल्यू का, तो उसमें न्यूट्रल एक्सिस और इक्विलिब्रियम एक्सिस सेम पोजीशन पर रहती है।
यार तुमको ये एग्जाम नहीं है, काहे तुमको दिमाग लगाते हो यार? जो एग्जाम है उसको पढ़ो करते हैं. ओके? Any more doubt? ओके. अटेंडेंस.
ये है नॉन इनोवेटिव तरीका जो कॉलेज में एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से फॉलो किया जा रहा है, लेकिन अब हम आपको बताते हैं कि इसे इनोवेटिव तरीके से कैसे बेटर बनाया जा सकता है।
आज हमारा टॉपिक है बीम और मैं सबको दिखाना चाहता हूँ यहाँ ये हमारा वॉल होता है और ये हमारा फिटिंग होता है। फिटिंग के नीचे ये हम लोग ऑप्शन पैड देते हैं और उसके बाद ये जो हॉरिजॉन्टल मेंबर होता है ये होता है। ठीक है
सर लिफ्ट के केस में क्या करते हैं? लिफ्ट में तो ऊपर नीचे जाना पड़ता है, उसमें बीम का क्या करते हैं?
गुड क्वेश्चन, लेकिन इसमें मैं तुमको समझा नहीं पाऊंगा तो हम लोग चलते हैं। तो तुम्हारा जो डाउट था, देखो ये लिफ्ट बन रहा है और इसमें ये सब फ्रेम वर्क होता है, ये हमारा कॉलम होता है और इसके नीचे एक फिटिंग, ठीक है। और ये सब तुम देख सकते हो, इसमें जो भी डाउट हो तुम मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है।
अब ये दोनों एग्जाम्पल थे नॉन इनोवेटिव तरीके का और इनोवेटिव तरीके का जो आपके सामने है। अब इसमें साफ साफ दिख रहा है इनोवेटिव तरीका ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है।
How to start a business? It's a good question. now you have got a creative idea, innovative idea. Its application is an important factor. In civil engineering, as we know, before a formation, before building a structure, we first prepare a plan, a model of which. Certainly in business also we follow the same route. We first prepare a business plan to formulate its what is now you have got a question that what is a business plan? A business plan is a formal statement of setting out its objectives and goals, which we use to attract investors for investment in our idea or plan which we want to propagate so that we can fund our business idea. Now, another important aspect of a business starting a business plan is discussing a business strategy. Now, business strategy is a policy or process making, because sometimes a business strategy has been defined by many different thinkers and innovators as a art, a craft, or science of decision making. Because decision making is a very important aspect in running a business.